Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar touched a 10-week high in thin trading, extending its weeks-long bullish run sparked by data showing a modestly slowing economy that lined up with bets for moderate interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Gold prices eased as broad economic stimulus measures in China, the biggest bullion consumer, failed to invoke investor confidence, and a US dollar rally to two-month highs capped upside momentum. US stocks were led higher by technology shares, while crude prices dipped as investors, amid light Columbus Day trading, looked past signs of economic softness in China and girded themselves for a string of high-profile corporate earnings reports. The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 4.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair fell 0.2% in the last session after a 1% intra-session dip. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The UK's employment change will be released at 6 GMT, the US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's capacity utilisation at 4:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.